Hey guys, today we're going to be making some Opalite soap. I am using a custom blended fragrance. It smells so fresh. There's sea salt, ozone. It's very ocean-like. So I'm doing 3 colors today along with white. I'm going for a nice pastel look. So I'm just gonna divvy up my batter. And then I'm gonna add in some white into my pot, blend everything up. And I'm getting ready to do an in the pot swirl. All my soaps have organic coconut oil, easily sustainable palm oil, olive oil, castor oil, and kaolin clay, which is great for your skin. So I'm just dumping all those in, trying to make it look swirly. Cleaning up my mess a bit, pouring that on into my loaf mold there. I only made one of these loaves, so if you guys are interested in getting a bar for yourself, make sure you follow me on Facebook, Silky Seductions Soap. I have a group page there, and you can just scroll down and comment how many bars you would like on that post. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just adding my opalite stones to the top there. And I'm going to be adding a touch of glitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more videos. I am having so much fun making all these soaps and testing out different fragrance oils. Hope you all have a wonderful day. See you guys around. Bye. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll be cutting the soap.